and welcome back. This is Pragati with you all, and today is day 20 of my English speaking journey. And today I'm here and sharing with you all that how ChatGPT transformed my journey and changed my way of speaking English. Not magically, not overnight, but step by step, day by day. And before using ChatGPT, I did not know I did not much confident, but I know the basic grammar rules, basic English words to speak enough. But my dear friends, no confidence was there, and my mind full of words, but still got goes blank when I starts speaking. So you can say that my mind was full, but still I can't speak English because my mind goes blank whenever I tried. So now I am sharing the real problem. I was afraid of making mistakes, and I translated later every words sentences from my native language to English language. And the third one, that I had no one to practice daily, and if I started practice with anyone at that time, that people start judge me. This was my thinking. So, my dear friends, in my classroom there was a friend, and she using ChatGPT every time. Then at that instant, I don't know this use so much, but when I suffered a lot while speaking English, at that time I remember the ChatGPT, and I started ChatGPT, and I started using ChatGPT. I started my practice, and without any judgment, without any feeling of embarrassment, it corrected me. It given me a simple way to speak. It given me sentences which we can use in my daily life. My dear friends, I know the basic English, but still I don't speak spoken. So this given me a kickstart of my journey, and I started my journey. So I asked it to correct my sentences. This was a very basic step which I followed. I asked ChatGPT every sentences to correct it because I have no confidence, and I always thought that whatever I am writing saying that is incorrect. So I asked ChatGPT to correct the sentences, and I used my own life example. And I used my own life example so that I can become a good speaker. Now I don't get panic while speaking as I started my practice, and day by day I am improving my confidence too. So my dear friends, I don't overthink. I don't overthink about every words to speak. The honest word which my mind suggests me, I use to express myself in English language. And one thing very important, that I still makes mistake, but at this time I don't feel embarrassment. And what that mistake teaches me, that mistakes teach me to improve myself. And the biggest lesson which I learned is the fluency. Fluency comes only from practice. Last, I would suggest you, if you didn't started your journey, start today and take your first brave step. Start speaking today. And if you want to see my real progress, you can watch my day 1 and you can join my journey. And see you with day 21. Till then, keep learning, keep moving. Let's stop here.